Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this simple makeup look, perfect for fall, bold lips, some dewy skin. If you guys are interested, just please keep on watching. Bye. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and hop on it. So today I'm gonna be using the palette Modern Renaissance, and I'm gonna take that shade called Tempera, and I'm just using this to set my eyelids since I already applied concealer as my primer and I already did my eyebrows off camera. Next thing, I'm gonna use the shade called Rossiana, and I'm just using this shade to add some dimension to my eyes because I'm not doing nothing crazy today. I'm just doing, something minimal. We just need some dimension. We don't want the eyes to look dual. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my eyeliner from Tarte. I'm gonna list all the items I'm using in the description down below, just in case I forget to mention anything. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade called Bermere. I really don't know how to pronounce that. I'm just using that for, as a brow bone highlight. This shade, it's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my NXN Flash Matte Perfecting Primer, and I'm just applying this all over my face because, as I mentioned before, I have oily skin, and this has really worked for me. Then I'm gonna grab my Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Desert Beige. I love this foundation. It's affordable and I love it. I just don't like the smell, but I feel like I can deal with it. I'm just using this brush to apply this all over my face. Make sure to blend this all the way down to your neck because my face is, it's since I use a lot of products for my face, I feel like my body is darker than my face. And then I'm gonna grab my MAC concealer, and this is in the shade NW25. I forgot how much I love this concealer. Ever since I started using that Tarte shape, I just forgot about this, and I found it today, and oh my gosh, I love how it makes my skin look. I feel like it makes it look fresh, I don't know, it's just not too heavy. I just love this. I don't think I'm gonna stop using this ever again. Anyways, I'm just applying this on my forehead, under my eyes, my chin, and I'm just using a damp beauty sponge, and make sure it's damp, not wet. Then I'm gonna quickly grab my Airspun translucent powder and just, set this concealer under my eyes, because I realized that if I wait till after my bronzer and everything, it's a mess. Not just this concealer, but I feel like every concealer I use, since I have, uh I have those bags, creases under my eyes naturally, so I have to hurry up and, set my eyes as quickly as possible. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just applying this, my forehead, my cheeks, and I'm just using that brush to blend this. Make sure to blend this out really good. We don't want any harsh lines. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium, and I'm just going to grab the first shade, and I'm basically applying this everywhere where we apply the LA Girl. Then I'm just grabbing a smaller blending brush and I'm just applying some of that contour shade on my nose to have a snatched nose, and some on my lips. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of that translucent powder on my beauty sponge and just clean up underneath that contour. Then I'm going to also take some of that translucent powder on my nose, and this is going to help me stay matte throughout the day without, looking oily. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush from Tarte, and this is in the shade Party. That's exactly how it's spelled in the back of my blush. And then I'm gonna quickly, get rid of all the powder from underneath my eyes. I don't want to look like a ghost. I think I got this blush like a year or two ago for my birthday from Sephora. That's probably why it's called Party. Anyways, I'm gonna take that shade again and highlight my inner corners, and I love using this shade as highlighter. You'll see. I'm getting rid of all the powder from my face, spraying the Mario Badescu rose water so we don't look too cakey. And I'm gonna quickly apply my eyelashes off camera to make this video shorter, and apply some mascara, Better Than Sex from Too Faced. And I'm gonna go back into the shade and start highlighting my face, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, everywhere basically. This shade is blinding. I think that's one of the main reasons why I like using eyeshadows as highlighters, because they're so blinding. Plus it's gonna match my inner corner highlight. It's just beautiful. And don't forget to spray your face one more time, because applying powders, it can make you look cakey, and we don't need that. So after you finish applying powder, whatever it is, apply some of that setting spray, whatever you have. And then for lips, I'm gonna take this Perry Panther Katy Cat matte lipstick, and this is from CoverGirl. It's a black lipstick. And then I'm gonna take that Huda Beauty liquid matte in the shade Famous. I am obsessed with this shade. It's beautiful, and I'm just using the black lipstick to make it a little bit darker, but you can totally skip this step. You can just use this alone, however you like it. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.